inside my mind have now slipped my recollection, and am I blind? For who was it noticed not I? You fade to nothing in my life, no more than whispers ghost-like, and I fall from dusty reaches of my memory. And love ran away from us, came from behind and overtook, left us standing there, years down the line, holding the worldly goods we shared, another sundry tokens of an affair we no longer want. Now in space and time we only occupy these few lines. I cannot